light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. So today I'll be making a storage coffee table for a friend of mine using wooden crates. Now this particular crate cost $3 and this one costed me $12. Now it was a mistake. I didn't see that they were both different and they cost different. And I was getting a lot of things at once and that was why I didn't notice it. So that's a lesson learned for me. I'll be using this wood glue to join both crates together. I'm also going to be using tack nails to hold them tightly together. I'll be gluing on this 1-inch foam around the crates, and I'll be doing that using the spray adhesive. Now because what I had at home was 1-inch foam, it's not thick enough. So I'm going to be adding another layer of the 1-inch foam all around to make it thicker. After that, I drew horizontal lines on the foam with 2.5 inches apart. Now I'll be making marks on each of the lines with 10 inches apart. The next step will be to make deep holes on these points using a pair of scissors. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that because you're working with crates, the lines you've made for the tufts should be where you have wood. This is the faux leather fabric that I'll be using for the coffee table, and the color is wine red. I got 1.5 yards for this, and it was kind of short, so I had to cut it and then join it by the side. To start the tufting process, the screw is going to go into the washer, and that's going to prevent the screw from sinking into the fabric. It is always better to make a hole with the screw that goes into the fabric first before you start screwing it in. And this is to avoid the fabric from twisting. I located where the hole is first before screwing it in. I did this all around, and for the final join that's by the side, I folded it using a hot glue gun before attaching it to the other piece. The next thing I'll be doing is holding the leather tightly and stapling it down. I'll be doing this all around, and at the point where the crates meet in the middle, I'll be cutting the fabric right here before stapling it down. After I was done with the inside, I turned it to the bottom and firmly secured the fabric to the wood. To cover the storage in the inside neatly, I'll be using cardboard that was measured and cut out from a trifold board. Now I'll be covering the board with a wallpaper. I did this for 4 long boards. That's going to cover the inside. I made small ones too, that's going to be for the sides of the crates. Now I made larger ones that's going to cover the bottom of the crates. Using just a hot glue gun might not be enough to hold the boards by the side. So to make sure that it stays in place, I'll be securing them better with tack nails. Before I continue, the middle part here is going to be covered. Now for the bottom, I covered it up with light fabric. These are crystal buttons that I got from Walmart, and that's what I'll be using to cover up the screw heads. To make a thin cover for the top, I'll be joining 2 boards together using school glue. Because this has a large surface area, I'll be adding weights at the top to make sure it stays flat. When it was dry, I covered it up with marble contact paper, and this part here is going to be for the inside and this is going to be on the outside. I'm going to glue a mirror to the middle and then cover the sides with diamond wrap that I got from the Dollar Tree. I did not have wood at home that's wide enough for this coffee table, that's why I'm taking this route, which by the way is really strong and sturdy. You can use any color of your choice in making this, and I know my friend wanted light brown, but I didn't find that in the store, so I had to go with the wine red color, hoping she likes it. Everybody loves an idea of having extra storage in the home, and this coffee table has 2 large compartments for extra storage. Considering the method I used in making the top for this coffee table, it can still carry heavy decor items. I'm really happy with the way this turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to like it and share it with your friends and families as well. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Now I have other DIY videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.